Hello guys, in this video we try just to see something that it is so important in trading. Most of the people they know, but the problem is that they don't practice. This thing is how or when to exit a trade. The majority of the beginners, especially beginners or those who just started or those who do the same thing for 1 year or 2 or 3, but they don't know why they are losing too much, but they don't know what's the problem. Okay? This is in general, because each trader should have some kind of a problem in order to lose. And traders are not the same. But the majority of the people, or the traders, or the new traders, they have some kind of problem that are similar. And it happens always again and again and again and again. But the people, they try to spend all their money trying, and they don't really understand what is it that makes them lose. Now here, I'm not speaking about when to buy a stock or what is the opportunities or what is the exact time. No, I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking just when you buy a stock. And then, when are you going to exit? Either with a loss or with a profit. This is the most important thing when you buy a stock. You buy an option, call or put. Whenever you buy something, the question that you should ask yourself always is, have you a plan to make this trade? It means you buy here. If the stock is against you, have you an idea where to exit? And this is called stop loss. Stop loss is, it's not, a lot of people, they don't understand even what is a stop loss. They think it's just something that we put and the stock will not get to our stop loss and we don't exit. This is what they think, but the stop loss, it is not that. Stop loss is just to assess your risk in a trade. Now, if you don't have a plan, the question is always there. When will you exit a trade? Let's say you buy a stock, whatever is this stock, whatever strategy you use, it doesn't matter. Even if you use 1,000 strategies to buy a stock. Let's say you have many strategies and you apply them all. But you feel later, when you see the results, that you always lose. Now, these losses, it is not related to strategies, how to buy the stock. Okay? It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with your risk. If you don't know your risk, you are just gambling in trading. Okay? It's just gambling. You don't know what you are doing. You buy a stock, yes. Any stupid person can buy a stock. An old guy who is 90 years old, he opened an account, he pushed a button, buy, and he buys a stock. If you bring a child or a kid, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, you open an account, you show him where to push a button, buy, and you see a number, 100, 200 shares or 300, he can buy. So this is not the problem. If you are a kid or you are an old person or you are 20 or 40 or 50, this is not a problem to buy. You do whatever you like, you use the strategy that you like, but the major thing that you should consider is to make a plan before you trade. This is not a beginner's thing. It is for those who know what they are doing when they trade. It means when they buy stocks. This is a major thing in trading. If you don't understand this thing, you will never succeed in stocks or forex or futures or options, you will never understand anything, even if you stay 10 years, 20 years, 30 years trading. You will never understand because you don't have a plan. Let's say, I give you a simple example. You buy a stock at $20. Tomorrow, it is against you. It goes down 19 and 50 cents. So, if you don't have a plan where to exit, and the stock continues to go down, it will take more than what you expected. That's why sometimes you try to do it, try just to see your trades. Okay? This, I affirm you for a sure thing, that if you are doing this mistake, you will see it in your trades. Take any trade, a loser for example. I will begin with the loser and then we go to the winners. See how much you lost. This is for a loser. Let's say you lost in this trade, typically in that trade, 20%. And then you decide to sell and you sold. Okay? So you lost 20%. It takes 20% of your money. Do you understand? What does it mean? 20%. It's a big number. Now, when you see how much in dollars, okay? If you put $10,000 in a trade, you lost $2,000. This is 20%. But when you look at the trade, you see, what if I made a plan to exit at 5%? So here you lose $500 from $10,000. Okay? So this small loss will make you make other trades in the future. And if you make another good trade, you will cover back your losses and you make money in the future. But if you do 2 or 3 trades, bad trades like this without a plan, if you lose 15%, 20%, 30% in each trade, in few trades, I ask you the question, do you have any money to trade in the future? No. You will have no money. Whatever is your money. I see some people who wrote me emails that they have 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. After a few months, they lose it all. Okay? They lose it all because of their ignorance. The market is always neutral. Don't tell me the market is against me or so. The market is always going up and going down. This is from centuries. Okay? So the market has nothing to do with your trade. It's you who is doing the trades. Now, this example is for the loss. Now, for the winners. Let's say you have a winner and let's say you make 20%. You see money. You sold your trade. Okay? You make money. 20%. Let's say 20%. Try to see afterwards. Was your decision true? It means afterwards that did the stock go up again more and more and more until it goes to 100%? So if you continue to take little bit of profits and large losses, tell me in the simple math, how can you make money in the future? This is the simplest ideas I'm giving you, and anyone, just put a paper, put that you are losing a lot each time and you are making small profits. Ask yourself and see the numbers. You will find yourself that you are a loser and you will continue to be a loser all your life. So this thing should stop right now. Stop doing what you are doing. If you are doing what I am explaining right now, stop it. Get some education, okay? And ask questions and try to see what is your problem. Without knowing your problem in trading and without knowing the basics of trading, you will still continue to trade doing big mistakes. These big mistakes will lead to bigger losses. These bigger losses will stop you from trading on time. Maybe a few months, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever you have money. Even if you have 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, you will lose it all. Because you don't use the simplest basics of trading. This is not investing. So here I'm speaking about trading. I'm not speaking about investing. Investing, it's another thing. Investing is you wait for many years for companies that you choose based on earnings and competition and the other stuff. Here I'm speaking just about trading. You buy a stock few days. If you make money, you sell it like swing trading, or you do day trading. Okay? So these are basics in trading. You should focus on these basics and to study them, and believe it or not, if you change your mindset and plan your trades, believe it or not, your performance will ameliorate by time. Whenever you fix a problem in your trading, you will make a progress and you will begin to see the green. Okay? Instead of seeing always the red, and ask yourself why. It's just because of you. The market doesn't just give you money like this, but the market is always full of opportunities to make money and to lose money. But in losing money, it's you who decide. So you should decide how much you give to the market. If you are wrong, don't let the market decide for you. Because short sellers, if they sell short a stock and it's going down, what is their interest? Is it their interest to stop selling short? No. Their interest is to continue selling short this stock every day. Every day going down. Every day going down. And you see that you have accumulated a big loss because each day you stay. Okay? Without having any plan. And you hope that your stock will go up again. There are some stocks that they go down and then they go bankrupt. Companies, they announce in the morning, okay, our company go bankrupt. You know what does it mean? All your money is gone because the stock is get enlisted and the company is sold and you will have no money at all. This happened to a lot of people and they send me emails because when I'm trying to give you this information, it is from true information that happens in the market daily. Companies that get bankrupt, it is daily in the United States of America. And companies that get success, it is daily also. So the market is always changing. But the principles of trading doesn't change. If you don't make a plan, you are a loser. Okay? And you will never do any progress where you do big mistakes. Okay? So hope this video try to make you resonate, try to make you think about how you are trading. And as I told you before, this has nothing to do with strategies. It means where you buy a stock, or it means or what is the opportunity, or when, or at what time. No, this has nothing to do with that. It has to do just after you buy a stock. Okay? Even in losses or in winners, when you won some money and some trades, the same problem persists. The first, you lose a lot. The second, you don't get a lot. It means as if you are going to have a job and they give you $7 or $8 an hour. Okay? And you are trying to do more hours to get more money. This is not money. Why you don't find a job that it is $20 or $25 or $30? Without making more hours, you can have big money and you can live well with this job. This is the mistakes that the people do in every aspect of their life, in jobs, in stock market, in everything. They don't plan anything. They just go with the flow. He's working with $7 or $10 or $11. He will stay all his life working, and then he is complaining always, why I don't have money. I don't have money. It's you who is the problem. It's not the job. The job is not good. Change the job. The trade that you are doing is not good. Change it. make another trade. Okay? It's that change that you should do in order to make some progress in your trading. So if you continue doing what you are doing and you say, no, even if plan or don't plan, I lose money. No, this is not true. But the truth is, if you lose $500 and you lose $2,000 in a trade, this is a big, big, big thing in trading. Okay? Maybe the next trade you make money, so you are not losing anymore. So these things, it is not just by trading 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, you will know this. No. This has nothing to do with experience, long trading experience. No. You can get the information instead of wasting 5 years of your life trading without success. You can just get some training and begin the track and see what's going on and try to compare, because the people, they don't compare how do they trade with other strategies. So what I ask you is always try to find other strategies better than yours. And then when you compare and you get the explanation, you will understand that you are at fault. Now, since you are at fault, you should correct your mistakes in order to have money. Money is for the smart people who just correct their mistakes. Okay, you have done a mistake for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Why not to stop these mistakes and correct them and then begin to make money? This will need a decision from you to stop what you are doing as mistakes and correct them. So this thing, I know it's hard at first, but believe it or not, you will change and your performance will change and you will be making money, and losing money will be something of the past. Because when you see the whole picture, everything will be at ease. Even if you lose, you know why you lose, so you can do nothing for that, except if you have made a plan, you understand everything. You don't need someone from Wall Street to explain to you what is your problem. Your problem, you know it, so you solve it. Okay? So for those who have still problems, you can just send me an email with one trade, and I can help you with all that, and we'll try to see what's going on into your trades. Try not to hesitate. Try to make the change right now instead of waiting for many years until you lose all your money. Now, there are a lot of people who are so clever, and I like that. Some of my students and some of the YouTubers who come to search for new strategies and so, they don't trade until they understand and until they get some education. This is one of the best things you can do in your life, is just to see what's going on, why the stock doesn't work, why I don't make money, how to make money, okay, how to make more money, how to make less losses as possible. This will make your thing change, and this is how the people can progress very, very quick. You don't have to wait 5 years until you discover thing in a training that it will give you in 5 minutes. Why you should waste 5 years from your life and the technique is 5 minutes and you get it? That is stupid. It means you just waste all your life trying. And these strategies that hit and miss strategies will never work for anyone. Okay? So thank you very much for understanding and for listening. Hope it's not so long for you guys. So if you have questions, please ask. If you need immediate suggestion or opinion about what you are doing, please send me an email. And always my email is here. You go to description and you find the email. Okay? And just send me an email and we can go from there. For those who have never seen my strategies, you can just go to my website. Okay, it's here, Djellala.net. You will find the first training. It's just for free, 28 videos. It explains the general ideas about my strategies, and then if you decide to get some training, it will be very beneficial for you and for your trading. Thank you very much, and see you next time.